Now we are going to discuss some of the MCQs exam point of view. So first question is equations given as this. The considering the initial approach x equals 0, we are given the x0 when the value of next approach correct up to 2 decimal places is given as. Okay, so we know actually how to solve it, but let me explain it. The iterative formula for Newton approximation method is given by we know f of x1 equal to x0 plus f of x0 upon f dash of x0, right? As the initial guess is x0 equal to 2, we simply have to put the x0 equal to 2 in our formula and we will get the answer 1.33. Okay, so the correct option is B, 1.33. This is your correct answer. Next, rate of conversion of Newton-Raphson method is generally, this is a theoretical question and we know that the rate of conversion of Newton-Raphson method is 2, that is quadratic, hence the option is B. Okay, now the third, the Newton-Raphson method of finding roots of nonlinear equation falls under the category which of the following methods? The actually answer is, we have to remember this open method. Okay, the Newton-Raphson method solve the guessing of the root. It involves the guessing of the root, so it falls under the open methods. 6. The Newton-Raphson method, if the curve f of x is constant, then, so it asks, if the curve f of x is constant, then what will happen? As I just told you before 2 slides that we have discussed the limitations, and which says that when f of x is constant, then the slope of tangent drawn to the curve, then this slope of tangent drawn to the curve at an initial point is 0, hence the value of f dash of x0, right? The slope y is constant, the function y equal to f of x is constant, therefore derivative of x, that is f dash of x, will be 0. So our answer is C, that is f dash of x equal to 0. Okay, this is the case in which the Newton-Raphson method fails, as I told you earlier. Now, at which point the iteration of the Newton-Raphson method are stopped? So the correct answer for this is D. When the consecutive values of iteration are equal to the iteration of Newton-Raphson method, we are stopped. The allows maximum accuracy as compared to others. As I told you earlier, we stop the iteration when we get the answer of two values, that is consecutively it may be x3, x4, x4, x5, almost similar. Okay, so at that time we stop there and take the fourth one as the root. Okay, next, Newton-Raphson method fails if we know the answer when f dash of x equal to becomes 0. Okay, the Newton-Raphson method is also called as okay, we have to remember this side. The Newton-Raphson method is also called as this tangent method, right? Because we have seen that tangent formula. We had this curve and we had drawn this tangent. Okay, we keep on drawing tangents until we reach this root where the curve connects. Okay, so this method is called as the tangent method. Okay, next, for decreasing the number of iterations, in Newton-Raphson method, what we have to do is, here we ask to decrease the number of iterations in Newton-Raphson method. What we can do? Option 1 is the value of f dash of x must be increased, value of f double dash of x must be increased, value of f dash of x must be decreased, or value of f double dash of x must be increased. So the answer is value of f double. The answer is value of f dash of x must be increased. Okay, value of f dash of x must be increased, because we know that if the from the formula we know that if the value of f dash of x tends to 0, this entire answer becomes more and more, and we don't want it as 0, right? So the value of f dash x must be, as we know the answer, value of f dash of x must be increased, right? So that we get the more correct answer. Now points where the Newton-Raphson method fails are called. Okay, so we have to remember that it is called as stationary points. right? Because it is not cause it does not change with respect to y, right? The dy by dx becomes 0, so we called it as stationary points. Theoretical part we have to remember. The Newton-Raphson method f dash of x for a given point is given by the formula. We have to remember this because the given by the formula, it is given by the formula y dash upon x dash, right? Derivative, the also explanation is given here. The derivation of the formula f of x is given as f dash to x equal y dash upon x dash. It is defined as the slope of the tangent drawn at a point of assumed initial value of the curve. 8. The last one, the conversion of each of the following methods depends on, actually it is not, it is actually the 10th one. I don't actually, I didn't number it sequentially. Okay, the conversion of each of the method depends on initial assumed value, right? Conversion of which of the following method depend on initial assumed value. So we already know that in a Newton-Raphson method, we assume the initial value x0 on which the convergence depends. I mean, if we take if we take the wrong assumption, then our method will take the more iterations to reach closer to that root. Okay, I hope this you learn so much from this video. I hope you understand the concept well, and also the MCQs will be helpful to you in your exam. So thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.